Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be making a simple, easy barbecue pineapple chicken in the crock pot. So first you're going to need some chicken breasts. I just took these that I unthawed throughout the day, and then you're just going to season up your chicken with whatever seasonings you want to use. So I'm going to put my chicken in here. And now I'm using garlic and parsley seasoning, and then seasoned salt. And this is one of my family's favorite. They love barbecue pineapple chicken. So I'm seasoning the other side. Some black pepper and some salt. Just gonna flip it over and do the same thing, black pepper and salt. Now pineapples, you can use the cut up pineapples. I just got these right here. And normally I cut these up before I put them in, but I just put them in whole. So you're just going to drain a little bit of the juice off and then add your pineapples. So next you add your honey barbecue sauce. You can use the original if you would like, but we've been liking the honey. So you just add your honey barbecue sauce on top of the pineapples and the juice, and you're going to let it cook for about 2 to 3 hours. Just let all of that barbecue sauce and pineapples soak into that chicken, and when it's done, it is so delicious. Thanks for watching. And I made this on my channel before, but I just wanted to do a video showing you how easy it is. It's a quick, easy meal. And thanks for watching. Bye.